In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create QR code in any document files in WPS Office. This feature is very helpful when you want to move your document content from your computer to your mobile device quickly and smoothly. Instead of manually sending files or copying text, a QR code allows you to access your document using your phone in just a few moments. To begin, make sure your document is already open in WPS Office. This can be any type of document file you are working on. Once the file is open and ready, look for the Tools tab within the interface. This section contains several useful options that help connect your document with other devices. Tap on the Tools tab to continue. Inside the Tools menu, find and select the option labeled Scan to Mobile. As soon as you select it, a QR code will appear on your screen. This QR code acts as a bridge between your document and your mobile device, allowing the content to be accessed directly on your phone. Now, pick up your mobile device and make sure it is connected to the internet. A stable connection is important so the content can load properly once the QR code is scanned. On your phone, open any QR code scanner application. Most devices already have one built into the camera, but any QR code scanner available on your device will work. Using your mobile device, point the camera at the QR code displayed on your screen and scan it. After scanning, a link will appear on your phone. Tap on that link to proceed. Once the link opens, the content connected to that QR code will load on your mobile device. This means the document or information from WPS Office is now accessible directly on your phone. At this point, you can view, read, or continue working with the content on your mobile device, depending on what the document allows. This method is especially useful when you need to continue your work on the go or quickly transfer information without using cables or manual sharing. That is how you can create and use a QR code in any document file using WPS Office. It is a simple and efficient way to connect your documents across devices. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.